Hello, welcome to your one-off Tuesday tropical update for Tuesday, October 21st. But I did want to break down just the tropics today. No other things with it. I know I said last time that I will have a section, but this time I'm not going to. Because I really want to focus on over here, which is Tropical Storm Melissa. We are going to have this thing, and it's going to move to the west a little bit more, and then consensus is it's going to start moving to the north, and then we're not sure. In fact, here is what that cone is like. And you can see we are super not sure where this is going to go. Our center of the cone right now shows it moving very, very slow and later becoming maybe a hurricane. I think we might even have a hurricane by tomorrow. I don't know why they're saying hurricane by Friday, but I think that's way delayed. So maybe by tomorrow, if not Thursday. But anything, we have still tropical storm, and that is going to, again, the consensus is it's going to move to the north, somehow stall out. We'll look at the guidance really quick, and here's what it shows. Here is our GFS model, of course the updated version. This is for today. It is showing our tropical storm Melissa to, again, move to the west and then move to the north. Its solution is that it moves just to the north of Hispaniola, stalls there a little bit, and then gets taken up by a big front and yanked off away from all other land. Now, the worst scenario would be here for Haiti and the DR. We don't really want it to hit the Haiti that much, but it's pretty much in the cone. And they're at least going to get some impacts, maybe even direct. As we can see with our European model, we're going to use the 0Z run here. And 12Z not out yet. And this thing keeps it a lot further to the west before it stalls it out for days, brings it back to the west, really explodes it then, and then this system takes it out over Cuba. Now, this is the Canadian model, and yesterday it was showing it come over here, which is not likely. It's still showing it doing about the same thing, and then rapidly intensifying and going out to sea. Just ignore the Canadian. This thing is completely wrong. But I think the consensus is going to be within our AI models here. We're going to look at this European AI model, and then we will look at the Google one. And here's what the European one is showing. Shows it's formed up. Wait, actually, updated. It's formed up. It's going to move to the north, and it is showing it stalling like right there off the coast, almost a worst case scenario, and then moves it only barely to the west before a front picks it up right back over the island. A worst case scenario for Haiti. Let's look at our ensembles here. We have our European ensemble. For some reason, it doesn't go out fully on here, so this is not dying out. This should show way westward for some reason. Some of them take it way to the north. I think this is completely off. It legit has no clue where anything's going. Now, actually, the GEFS ensemble is actually showing about the same consistency as what that AI model was showing. It shows it turning to the north, then back to the west a little, and then to the north. A little bit more exaggerated on this model, but our Google Weather Lab is also showing something like this. Actually, it is showing lots of scenarios that are actually quite a bit further to the west. If it does do that, we could see up to a Category 5 from this, I would say. Let's click on it. See, we actually have quite a bit in there with Category 5 in this. This is the ensembles here for this model. The consensus, though, is that it does come up close, moves back to the west, and goes in between Cuba and Haiti. I think that is a decently likely scenario, although I wouldn't rule out one of these more westward moving tracks, or even one that just kind of goes up here and kind of stalls out. And that there is your update on the tropics. As far as strength, if it goes further to the west over here, I think we're guaranteed a Category 5. Up here, especially if it hits land early, it's probably not going to be nearly as strong. So I will see you guys tomorrow on an update on the track. We should have a better consensus by tomorrow.